everyone, is the flash not working on your iPhone? Don't worry, here are some easy fixes you can try. Step 1. Test the flashlight. First, open the control center and turn on flashlight. If the flashlight works, the flash hardware is fine. Step 2. Check camera flash settings. Open the camera app and tap the flash icon. Make sure flash is set to on or auto. Step 3. Remove iPhone case. If you are using a thick case, remove it and test the flash again. Step 4. Let the iPhone cool down. If your iPhone is too hot, the flash may stop working temporarily. Wait a few minutes and try again. Step 5. Restart your iPhone. Now, restart your iPhone. This can fix small camera and flash issues. Step 6. Update iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available update. Step 7. Reset all settings. If the flash still does not work, go to Settings, General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, Reset all settings. And that's it. These steps should fix the flash not working issue on iPhone. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and share for more easy iPhone tips.